Okay, so I am inside the dashboard of Videtar, and basically what it does is it's an all-in-one package for finding the right keywords, and then creating a video for that keyword even without doing any video yourself, using the power of our software itself, and then ranking that video and getting all the traffic that we want. Okay, so that's in a nutshell, and we've made it drop dead simple. Now the first bar is the video research. So it's basically video research, then it's basically getting that video even without you creating any video, and then it's, or you can make that sexy. You have our inbuilt green screen, best video editor out there, and then we rank it using our live streaming power. Okay, and of course this is another app, that's the conversion boosters. Once video is up, so you can actually use this boosting power with the conversion booster. Okay, now let's get started. So the first one is YouTube analytics. Now what's this is basically, if I have any buyer keyword, so for example I have video Paul as the product, or any product that you want to search. Okay, so and the number of searches that I want, so what it'll do is it'll just one sec. So for example video Paul, and then let's say go. So it'll pull out all the analytics for that particular keyword, for that particular product. It could be any keyword. Now I'm just putting it like one product name, it could be any. So now I mean analyzing this would show me that yes, they're getting good views, they're getting good shares and stuff like that. So it's a good product to actually work on. And then I move to step 2, which is video feature. Now over here, we made it drop dead simple that you can actually download ethically and legally the videos for that particular keyword. So again, I go and I search in this module video pal, and so it's gonna show us all the results, and these videos are Creative Commons videos. We can officially use it on our channels. Okay, so there's no problem. And look at this, so we've got this video, and it has so, and then we can just check all of them. So look at this video has 11,000 searches, and it's free to use, so it's high quality video. Why would it get so many searches? So this is huge. Just click on this, and then just go on to the right hand side. I'm going a little fast here, but just for the demonstration, and we have all these download buttons, so you can download it right from here. Okay, and then once we have the video done, your downloaded videos will come here. Okay, so you can watch them right here. So we've got them all covered in the server itself. And then finally we move to the next step, which is video creator. Okay, so video creator, we have our best video editing software, and it's a very powerful cloud-based video editing and software that you won't find anywhere. So what it does is, bear with me with the internet connection, it's super bad, I know that. So inside the video lab, okay, let it load. Okay, so cool. So the bad internet finally gets to the next page, and then this is the video editor. Now this is a green screen editor, so if I have any green screen video, and under this we'll have all the previews coming in and everything. I'll share with you a sample here. So basically in the first screen, I just I just name it like anything, then we just go next. And for the demonstration, I'm using this is not a part of this product as of now, but I'm using it for the demonstration. Hit submit. Okay, so we have this video here. Now once I say next, okay, so because the internet is slow, but you would actually see this video right here. Okay, right here. Now audio is basically for if we have basically what okay, let me share that. So we need not to even have a video here. Even if we want to create we can use the downloaded video from YouTube, and we can actually use images to create videos here. We can download images from Pixabay itself. So there are all tons and tons of options that we have for us to create this video. Okay, and then the preview will come right here because the internet is slow, so it's not coming. Then we have the next option. If we use the images to create videos, we can add audios here. Then in the next is we can add background audios. We have tons and tons of audios right here. And then we can have backgrounds. So we have inbuilt videos as backgrounds, so there are tons and tons of them. And of course we can have the backgrounds from Pixabay. The integration is right there. Then we can add lower thirds, and as we said, everything is done right here. So you can just select any of the the lower third, and then we can also add watermarks. Okay, so the watermarks, and we can just place it where we want. Okay, so from the hard drive itself. I'm just giving you a simple example. So once we have the watermark done, so we can add text. Click the link below, so this will go in the text bar right here. Okay, so that's another thing. And then we can also add an animated text. Okay, so the animated text will have it'll flow from right to left, left to right, and that's pretty much it. And then we have the text for audio. So if we want to add the audio and we want to add some text that's converted to audio, so we can add it there if people want it. And after that, we just hit finish. The video will be created and will be added to the recent video tab. So that's how we create a video. So we've got the video fetched from YouTube, then we can just brand it basically from this option by adding lower thirds, watermark, other cool stuff, background music. We can actually make it even more sexy. And then finally we need to rank the videos to get some traffic, right? And then we come to this option where we have the live streaming. Now in this, what we need to do is we need to add the events. Okay, before that you need to obviously connect your YouTube account, and that's pretty much simple. From here you need to just click, and it's one click away. And then if so we have okay, so inside, before coming here, you have to go inside settings. And here we have the intro, the prefix and the suffix. So basically we have got you all covered right here. Initially, once you log into the software, we already have all the keywords done here. But if you want to delete or add here, you can do that. You can also do that while creating the events. Okay, and let me show you what I mean by that. So what happens is, once I come here, I just type in the product name, the keyword basically. So basically over here we're working with VideoPal, and I say search result, and boom, I have all the cool stuff going here. So it has best, I mean, obviously best game will not come here. So it'll have all the permutation combination with the keyword. So you can work around with the videos here. So best Videtar, VideoPal review and bonus, something like that. So it'll automatically come right here. So all these listings are all good to go. And now, we have this option called select videos. The videos that we created with our creator will be here. So we just click this, we use this. Then in one video we create and we checkbox this, it goes to all these listings. Now the great part of this is that, I'll show you the magic here. So the great part is that we have the keyword in the title, in the description, so it's highly optimized. Plus we can also upload a thumbnail and checkbox this, so it goes to all the video listing, or we can individually upload different thumbnails. But what I want to show is this. Now if we have connected multiple YouTube channels, okay, and I don't know which package you have right now, but this is available in the pro package. So you can actually select multiple channels, and then the beauty will be like this. Let me show you live here. So we have the last URL and the random URL going right here inside the description automatically. If you have multiple channels, which I really recommend, then those URLs for the last video and the random URL for any video that is there in this event will come, the backlinks will be spread across different YouTube channels. So it gives you immense power. And as you see that we already have the on-page optimization done for you, because the title, the description, and the tag has all the same keywords. So this is huge, guys, for ranking a video and getting free traffic, and all these videos will be live streamed, so it gets even more power. Now over here we've done everything for you. So basically you can schedule your live streaming between 30 minutes to, you can define this time like between 15 to how many minutes randomly it'll take up the different events, and obviously your time zone, and of course basically the properties that you normally select in YouTube. So doing this will live stream your videos and get you all your rankings that you're looking for. Exposure for the best keyword that we searched for, it's a buyer keyword, and then as a bonus you can use conversion booster. This is basically when you scroll the page down and you're watching a video, so the video sticks on top, on bottom, wherever top sites like Vimeo, Facebook are using this technology, so it's just like that. Okay, so that's all about in a nutshell what we are giving inside this package of Videtar. It's a full blown package for finding, creating, fetching, creating, and ranking, and then boosting the conversions. So everything is done for you in this app, and it's all done on cloud. So there's nothing to download, nothing to install. That's it for Videtar as of now. Let me know your thoughts.